Yo, man, heads up.
Come on, man. You can do better than that.
This one's coming with some heat on it.
Aim better next time.
What's it gonna take to kill this thing? Silver bullets or something?
No, that's only folklore. Bullets will only wound the beast. You have to behead him to kill him, and I only have one sword.
I've got an axe. For cutting away a brush.
That'll be fine.
So, are we still assuming that we're fighting some fairy tale creature?
Look, we have a kid's mango body. Two professionals that don't know what it is, and no people, which equals no money. I don't care if it's the Easter Bunny teaming up with Bigfoot for gang initiation. I want it caught, and I want it caught now.
We have to lock this place down. The Canis Lupus Maximus is the smartest and strongest of this kind. If it determines that we're trying to hunt it, it's going to come after us.
Well, all exits are accounted for except the north wing. I will handle that right now.
How's this?
That'll be fine.
Hey! There's an evacuation order. What are you still doing here?
Look, I told you, we don't have anywhere else to go.
How many of you stayed behind?
Look, all it is my sis, my girl, and her boyfriend.
Should have stayed.
It's not like we don't want to go someplace else. This place ain't even that safe anyway. The latch on the front door doesn't even work.
What do you mean?
What's wrong with your latch?
The latch on the front door didn't even hold it closed.
I only see 3 of you. Where's the 4th person?
Terrence isn't here yet, but he should be on his way.
What was that? Oh my God!
Richie!
Terrence! Oh my God! Terrence! Get him up!
Let's go.
Terrence!
Over here.
Terrence! Get his feet up
God,
here!
he's bleeding all over the place.
Oh my God! He's bleeding everywhere! Those guys in my house! I'm just not leaving him here!
He'll be fine. Let's go. Let's go.
Go! Get out of here! Go! Go!